Ponce was born on June 4, 1995. He graduated in Malayan High School of Science in Pandacan, Manila. He postponed his college studies at the Mapua Institute of Technology after entering his acting career. He was previously in a relationship with volleyball player Mika Reyes from 2017 until 2020. Ponce, a former stage actor, made his television debut in the Philippine romantic comedy series Be Careful with My Heart in 2012. He auditioned twice for Pinoy Big Brother but failed. Ponce has starred in various dramas, including The Good Son, A Soldier's Heart, and Safe Skies Archer, a Viva One original series.
Hi, Ella.
Para sa...
Yung inabot ko sa'yo kanina. Sorry, hindi sa akin yan eh. Ikaw ba?
Sige na, sumabay ka na sa kanila.
Sigurado ka?
Magpahinga.
Oo, sige, makikipagkita siya.
Sabihin mo, importante.
Okay, saan mo ba gusto?
Saan?
Oo, pupunta siya.
May pera naman ako.
Ano nga ba pangalan mo ulit? Skip ka lang. Try mo sa iba.
Work?
Meron, pero pwede naman ako mag-hubs.
Please don't forget to lock na lang before you leave. Yeah?
Yeah. Meron ka din. Hindi ko alam. Doon eh! Wala akong kinabukasan dito!
Mo munang magpalabok ang Master of Ceremonies.
Noy! Ako ang Master of Ceremony!
Abby, sabi tayong kakain, okay?
Tol, ninakawan niya na ako, sinira niya pa yung kotse ko! What?
Pero
Ikaw pa? O paano, mauna na ako sa inyo mga tol. Sige, pagdarasal namin yan. Ingat, salamat. Ingat.
Bakit? Hinihaan mo na lang sila na gano'n.
Pupuntang kita sa Manila. Ayaw ko mga umuwi.
Sarap ng pagkain ng aso, no?
Oh my God! Hinahon ka lang sa mga comment mo. Ito naman.
08.
08? You were dead. What were you expecting?
Hindi naman ako ganun humilik, babe, diba?
Hindi ka naman ganun humilik. Mas malakas ka lang humilik. Parang, Arlo. Hey.
So,